100 light years from Earth. Week. BBC later. Twining's Tea Shop, 216. Eastern Bergamot, becoming Ceylonic, 50 grams. Pain au chocolat, gone by lunch. Excellent. Simpsons in the Strand. Roast beef, 145 degrees. Silver Dome and boozy lunch since early 19th century. Red cheeks frequent. Extended nap, good to blissful.
Have been molded into sentences, such that the consonants and usual compounds occur in the vowel combinations which are met with very frequently in English.
This speech is recorded from a round sight magnetophone through its own equalizer amplifier. The equalization was adjusted by listening on a pair of Ericsson headphones.
Breaks 143. Gale Force plant-based controversy. Sausage roll, 2 for 1, increasing to 3 later. Lukewarm occasionally.
The coastal sound on Radio Brighton. To give you the news and all of the views of the people and all of the people like you.
Text later. Merino wool hiking socks. Here now. Thankful later. Mountain Warehouse. Romantic tension with Eds Brigham. Rising. Basically palpable. With chips. 427 calories. Rising. Chicken wings, sticky. Knickerbocker, glory.